Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your old phone is charged and on a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug it in. Next, choose the backup method, iCloud, Google Drive, a PC image, or the manufacturer app, and enable encryption if offered, because it protects passwords and health data. Once chosen, sign into the same account on both devices. This syncs permissions and access. Now start the backup on the old phone and watch progress. Do not interrupt the process. Wait until it reaches 100%. Once the backup finishes, power on your new phone and select Restore from Backup when prompted. Choose the correct backup file and date. You will authenticate, enter your account password, use two-factor authentication, and input old device PIN codes if requested. This ensures both security and full data access. While apps and media download, make sure Wi-Fi stays connected and the phone remains plugged in. If some apps require re-login, do that now. Meanwhile, large photo libraries may continue restoring in the background. After core content appears, inspect contacts, messages, payment methods, and photos to confirm completeness. Make sure apps have necessary permissions so features work. If something is missing, resync the account, look in archived or hidden folders, or restore a specific backup snapshot. Sometimes media restores later. If the restore fails, reboot both phones, reconnect Wi-Fi, update the operating system, and retry the restore sequence. This often resolves corruption or handshake issues. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.